Hey y'all, so today's video I will be showing you how I achieve these distressed soft locks. So if that's what you came here for, go ahead and get comfy and we'll go ahead and get started. Alright, so here's everything that I've used to do these distressed soft locks. I used 2 packs of this free tress pre-fluffed hair, and as you can see it comes with 3 in each. I have this in 1B, and then I only needed 1 pack of the T27, so really it didn't take a lot of hair at all. And I'll show you what the bundles look like. This is what like 1 bundle looks like, and so easy to pull apart. I will have all of that linked in the description box down below, along with what I use for my wash day and to do my braid out, and I'll have whatever videos that I have on those products also linked. While you're down there, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know you can keep up to date with me. So I only have about 6 left because I had to figure out what I was doing, because this is the first time that I'm doing this, of course. And so now I feel like I'm in a good place that I can show y'all. I do have a few that I'm going to touch up before I finish, but here I am. So basically what you want to do is literally take one of the sections that is already pre-sectioned and you're just gonna break it in half. It's real easy to pull apart, just like that. And one will be my base and the other will be what I wrap with, and then I do the same thing for the ombre look. So all I'm going to do is go in at the root with my crochet hook. Pull this bad boy through. And then I'm trying to make them all like the same length. They were starting to get a little short in the front. And then you just take one leg and wrap that around your braid. And that's just going to basically like anchor this down. Even though it's going through my braid, I just want to make sure it's not gonna be loosey-goosey sliding around. And then I'm just gonna take the other one and basically do the same thing right through the root. And I feel like this looks more natural. Anytime I do faux locks or whatnot, I always just crochet them through the root. Keep that hair separate, and then I don't want this too long because I'm gonna add the blondes. And I wrap this around the one that I'm using as the base and the braid, like so. Just one. Alright, so we have the base, and then we just start wrapping. So what I like to do is just wrap it around my roots really good, like once or twice, and then we will loosely wrap down. Like seriously, like loose. Alright, so I think I'm going to go ahead and like add my blonde. So I'm just gonna hold this with my mouth. And then I'm just gonna wrap the blonde around twice, just above the black. Can y'all see that? And now I'm just gonna try and like melt these together. So what I did was basically how I anchored the first, like at the roots. That's all I did was like wrap this blonde around the base, and then I wrapped up a couple times with the blonde just to make sure it is on there. And then I can continue to loosely wrap down. And you can incorporate the 1B hair, or you can just add that to the base. I do a little of both, as you can see. And then you just loosely continue to wrap down. We welcome all the imperfections here. So trying to like match this up with this side. So we're going all the way down. I don't know if you guys can see that. And so now that I'm kind of like at the end, I'm just gonna basically take this black and wrap it back up loosely and then back down to kind of secure it. And then I'll just take the blonde, wrap that up, and this just knots so easily. There, yeah. And then I kind of like palm roll mine together just to kind of make sure it's there. So yeah, that's it. No scissors, no glue, no anything. And that's how I do those. So I have the one strand that I pulled apart, and then from the one I just did, I still have this half. So I just have 3 kind of strands, which is really like 1.5 when you look at it. So once again, through the root. Put that little piece in the back. Loosely wrap around my braid. We got those. Repeat that again. I just want to make sure like this isn't too long. I don't want to do it like halfway, but it's like a little bit of a difference. Put that to the back and wrap this one around the base. And like I didn't want my locks to be super thick, which is why I did it in half. All right, so we wrap twice and then loose wrap. So yeah, like I was saying, I didn't want hair in my mouth, my locks to be really thick, which is why I break the pre-stretched hair in half, because I didn't want jumbo locks. And I felt like my braids underneath, like I feel like it matches like the parting in a sense, you know what I mean? And even though I have all this hair underneath here, it's not like too thick, nor is it like super heavy, which I can appreciate. I feel like my hands are so in the way, but you anchor it, you wrap up, and then you just keep on going, girl. So this is the final look. Shout out to Wen-Jing. I'm not sure if I mentioned that, but I actually got the technique and everything from her. Her video is in the description box down below. But yeah, hers were super long. Mine are, it's about right here, right like boob length. But yeah, I absolutely love them. They're so lightweight. I like the ombre. It's not bad. I don't necessarily love it, but I think I would like them better if I just would have done all black, but it's fine. It was my first time. I enjoyed it. The whole process, like pre-poo, wash, blow dry my hair, braid out, and installing these took about 18 hours, which honestly, for me doing them by myself, like I don't feel like that's bad at all. It used to take me like 3 days to do stuff like this. So the process wasn't bad. The hair was very inexpensive, and hopefully I can get at least a month wear out of them. So yeah, let me know down below if you plan on trying this protective style, or if you even like protective styles. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you guys in the next one.